Hello, my name is Salmon. Hello, I am dark red. I'm making an object show. Join now. Okay. I'm so angry. Yippee! Grr. Wah. Make 3 teams of 3. Okay. Since we're besties, we should make a team. Okay. Team, I'm dark red. I don't want to be bullied. You're the final team. Why am I paired with idiot? Your challenge is to press this button. The last team to press the button is up for elimination. Go. Recommend a character. I'm too angry to press the button. Team Idiot is safe. Dark Red, we have to press the button or else we're gonna be up for elimination. No. Hello, I am Salmon. What? The button is my hat. Be bullied is safe. Guys, you lost. Haha. Viewers, vote in the comments using square brackets on who you think should be eliminated. Voting ends in 3 days. What if I'm up for elimination? Huh?